Mike Checkpoint! क्या बोले मेरे जीता हुआ कुछ करते ना अपनी पब्लिक के लिए एक नंबर की बात मेरे गली में अच्छा उनकी मेरे गली से पर वो मेरे और तेरे शूटर और फ्लैश मेरे गली में पूरे शहर की आवाज मेरे गली में मेरे गली में गली 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 मेरे गली में गली 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 पुलिस आई लगी वाट मेरे गली में एक नंबर सारी बात मेरे गली में एक तो इधर मेरे गली में है घर छोटे छोटे लेकिन जरा को दिल में जगह शुमार कभी भी गली से मत देने को तैयार गरीब भी चलेगी लेकिन बारे भी करेंगे नहीं चले भी चलेंगे नहीं बातें नहीं रुकेगी नहीं जहाँ भी चलेंगे बोले हटना झुकेगा नहीं क्यों क्योंकि हटना गली गली का करें तो कली का सुनेगा रोना चौथे के कौन भगवान रोना के भोगे की चौल कहानी सोबत बहुत कुछ मोहब्बत कहानी दौलत शौलत जान की कहानी बच्चा बच्ची मोबाइल गिर को करे बड़ी बात नाचने मत झुकना है गिर कर में बस बस चले चले तो फिर इसकी तो When I say both, you say hard. Both, hard, both, hard. When I say both, you say hard. Both, hard, both, hard. When I say gully, you say both, gully, gully. When I say gully, you say both, gully, gully. Oh, Mumbai की पब्लिक आवाज करो. दीदी लोग वॉक कर रही है, कोई गाना तो बजाओ बनता है. अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, सुनना ही तो आएगा, घंटा लेके जाएगा. अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, सुनना ही तो आएगा, घंटा लेके जाएगा. ओह Gully boy, when the night day अपना खूबसूरत बनाओ. Love you, good night and God bless. What up? I'm over there again, you know what? You the pop boy. Gully boy, get it, yo. खुद से खुद को कैप्चर ले तो खुद से पूछ तो खुद से पूछ से खुद को कैप्चर ले तो खुद से पूछ तो खुद से पूछ से खुद को कैप्चर ले तो खुद से पूछ तो खुद से पूछ से खुद को कैप्चर ले बच्चे बड़ी है हमें ये रिकॉर्ड कर तेरी कोई बनेगी पानी पूरी का बाजी करेगा पाप में तुझे था तेरा भी से बड़ी बड़ी है मुझे तेरा नहीं हो सकती है तेरे सारे असली बातों का भी है तेरे मेरे भीतर ताल तेरा लिखे तो आपा मेरा मन कोई भी नहीं अपनी तरह अपने अच्छे दिन ले नहीं देखता कोई तो चल हवा आने दे बोला मैं सब बॉबी शाने आने दे असली बने को तू आने दे तेरा दिल से तू मेरे खाता तू बनेगा तो जाने दे आने दे असली बने को तू आने दे तेरा दिल से तू मेरे खाता तू बनेगा तो जाने दे मैंने तो खाते में आने दे कभी लगा कि जब तक तो बैठ के जाने दे आने दे असली बने को तू आने दे तेरा दिल से तू मेरे खाता असली बनेगा तो प्यार असली बनेगा तो प्यार
जो भी करेगा चेक करेगा फटाफट दबादा बब करेगा तो जब करेगा कंडक्ट में क्या कीजिए मेरा झटपटी से क्या बात करेगा झटपटी खेलेंगे झटपटी से भारी 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 ये तो जान से काम भारी भारी काम ये तो जानकारी काम भारी भारी काम ये तो जानकारी भारी 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 काम
Yeah. Check MC Altaf here India 91. Check this out. एक वीडियो क्या बोलता है किधर से तू कहाँ का है स्टाइल. Check. तक धोम तक धोम तक धोम तक धीना धोम तक 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 धीना धोम तक धोम तक धोम तक धोम. Yeah. क्या बोलता है किधर से तू कहाँ का है स्टाइल. Yeah. MC Altaf with this Gully Boy India 91. Check this out. Yeah. की बात है ये गली छोटी सब थी सारे सारे लड़के और उसमें से हम भी सब अधिकारी छोड़े तुम्हें ना मतलब आगे की सोच और छोड़ बातें कर तो सुन आया नया दौर तेरे सामने चला मेरे भाई तो चला मेरे हाथ में लिखा जो मेरी सारी सड़कों पे नगर इच में कहीं का अच्छा लिखता हूँ पूरा ये इंडिया 91 Gully Boy MC Altaf बोल शेक
चीरेला
Hello, ladies.
हेलो
Hi, it's Spring. Hi, how are you? Oh, hi. Thanks for having you guys here.
You look lost. Come on, no. Mingle, no? Listen here.
Come, you guys come.
Dolly, come here.
Dolly, come.
Arre, let them. I think let them be.
Should we mix? Come here.
Yeah, come here. Bhavna, come. Nandi, come here. I don't know. Come this way. Just shift one in, Dolly.
Come.
Then they can, both of them can be there.
Come.
No, shift one chair, shift one chair.
Shift one chair.
Where's the? Come.
कौन बोला तू मेरे को बता जब भी रेडी है.
Now what do we do? I think so.
वो लगा ही रही है तो वो भी लगा देना.
Check. Should we start?
Yes, we should.
Wonderful.
Good evening and welcome. This power-packed room right now is all thanks to these amazing people we have on the dais here. You guys had us at the edge of our seats. Everyone was jumping, everyone was dancing, and everyone was singing along with you. So, major props to all of you for the fantastic collection and the fantastic show all of you put together for us. We have with us here Gully Gen by Love Gen, created by the amazing team of Bhavna Pandey, Dolly Sidwani, Nandita Mehtani, Manish Chauhan, and Anurag Chauhan.
Well done, Love Jen.
We also have with us here Zoya Akhtar, director Gully Boy, XL Entertainment's Ritesh Sidwani, producer Gully Boy, the lead cast of Gully Boy, Ranveer Singh, and Mr. Jaspreet Chandok, VP and Head Fashion, IMG Reliance. We'd like to begin by hearing from all of you a little bit about your journey, showcasing your work here. So we're going to ask you a couple of questions, and so if you can help answer that, that would be awesome. So we'll start with you. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're feeling?
Hello.
thank you all for being here. This was just a fantastic integration. बहुत ही बढ़िया सी. So this is actually the first movie integration show we've had at Fashion Week. So if we had to lose our virginity to anyone, we are the Fashion Week. So anyways, that's all I wanted to say. It's great to have you here. It was amazing energy.
सर अभी ना मूवी इंटीग्रेशन का फैशन होने वाला है.
I've already gotten 2 messages.
मैं
My
हर
movie is
साल
coming
आऊंगा
out
एक
in
पिक्चर
August.
लेके.
Done.
Anurag and Manish, we'd love to hear from you. What is Love Gen's plan going forward? What can we expect in the future from you guys?
Yeah, hi, hello everyone. It's actually, Love Gen is all about the youth, the young generation of India, and we're trying to bring the cool looks, the fashion, streetwear, fast fashion, and that's it.
And what can we expect going forward from you? Because you've already blown our minds off, so we're waiting for what's next.
No, what we are doing, we are bringing all international fashion to India because as per our experience, and we are soon opening our stores across India. It started with already with Shoppers Stop. We are present in Shoppers Stops, also online. So the plans are great, and let's see how it goes. Thank you.
Perfect. So we
मैडम
now
मेरे
know.
को एक रैप सूझा है, मैं बोलूँ क्या? हाँ मैडम, आपकी इजाजत है तो, पब्लिक की इजाजत है तो. मेरी शादी हो गई, अब आप सब मेरी बहन है. सबसे खतरी लेबल बोले तो लव जैन है. बहुत hard.
With a team like this, it must have been really exciting for you to work on this collection. Can you tell me a little bit about what the process was, Dolly?
So it was a great process. We worked with Zoya, we worked with the marketing team. We came up with our own designs. It was a great collaboration, and we got a lot from the film.
Bhavna, from you, what was your biggest inspiration behind this collection?
Chunky Pandey.
No. Well, I think the whole inspiration has been the film, Gully Boy. We are all looking forward to it. It is looking amazing, and I can't wait to watch it. Our entire collection has been inspired from there and nowhere else. Thanks.
And Nandita, when we have fashion, we have street style, we have music, everything coming together, we have film. How does that kind of work, and how did you use all of those elements in your collection?
I think, everybody is influenced by film and fashion, and I think they both complement each other, and music as well is a big influence in today's day and age. And for me personally, I'm a huge hip-hop fan, and so I was very excited about this collaboration. I had a lot of fun. We all did designing this collection, and who better to portray it than Ranveer himself. So we've had a really exciting journey and looking forward to more.
I can only imagine. If that was a precursor to what's to follow, so we're all hanging on to the edge of our seats. Zoya, if we can hear from you, what was the ethos of the line that inspired Gully Boy?
I think the ethos of it is a kind of mixture of street and rap and hip hop, which is style, which is individual style, which is self-expression, which is you don't necessarily have to depend on any brand. It's basically how you carry your swag. It's got a lot to do. There were a lot of influences in terms of graffiti, in terms of poetry, in terms of the written word that were all, sorry, here's the camera. The written word that was all used to design this line, and a lot of athleisure, athletic wear, which is what the artists tend to lean towards. So I think it was a blend of that. And the ethos, I think, is truth and self-expression.
How did the collection with Love Gen come about? How did all of you come together, and how did you make this happen, Ritesh?
He is the husband of Love Gen. He ain't got no choice.
No, I think it's actually, no, the thing is Zoya was very clear. I think from the day the designers of the film, which was Arjun and Puramlata, once they designed the film, and then Zoya, I remember for the last 6 months has been telling me that we need to figure out a line with Gully Boy. You know, we have to figure it out. And I think it's, you know, not every film, but this film lends it's the way it's been designed and the clothes which have been used in the film or inspired, I think lends itself for a merchandise line. And we were lucky to have Lakme let us present the first line. So yeah, it's exciting times.
It is, I mean, I think if we overuse excitement too much, I mean, because everyone is super excited here. And last but not the least, you. Don't do that. Be still our beating hearts if you do. Your look speaks for itself. Can you tell us, how did it feel walking the ramp? Did it
पब्लिक
feel
दिख रहा है क्या क्या लिखेला है इधर ओहो पब्लिक ने वर्डिक देला है दीदी भाई हमेशा खुश रहता है भाई तेरा जॉली है सबसे हार्ड दीदी मेरी दीदी डॉली है भाई ने बाज ड्रॉप किए नकली रैपरों को पीटा है सबसे हार्ड दीदी लव जेन की नंदिता है कभी भी किधर भी तू बीट ड्रॉप कर मैं बाज ड्रॉप करता है
You tend to leave people speechless, don't you? But if you can tell us how it felt walking the ramp, how did it feel different? Because you're working with a cast, you're working with a bunch of people who really worked so hard to make the movie come together, the collection come together. Did it feel special for you?
I love it. I mean, it's the first time that any one of my movies has had, merchandise done right. You know, it's all about the merch, baby. Merchandise. So it feels amazing. I was picking what I wanted to wear last night and what I'm wearing right now. It just spoke to me instinctively. They were all laid out and I was like, both hard. Just by instinct. I think today was a unique show. Our film is, very closely connected with music, and music was at the heart of our show today. A unique show, have live performances. A lot of the kids you saw out there are authentic rappers. They've contributed to the music album. They've contributed to the film, to the dialogues, etc. And I think it was a unique show, a unique experience for me. And I'm ever so thankful to the entire team for having me.
And on that note, all of us here, I'm sure, wish you the very best. And we hope to see this line, and we're going to definitely go pick it up soon. Thank you so much and all the best.
Public एक बार love Jen के लिए बोलो बहुत hard. ये बार.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If we can have one picture of all of you here, please. One photo of the entire group.
ओ public अभी कोर्टयार्ड में आने का उधर जाके तुम्हारा भाई मचाने वाला है बोल दिया.